You know how we do. Rockefeller. Forever.
Yeah. I think it's safe to say. That it's a good feeling. I mean, you don't know I try, nigga. Foreign core ambitions, I get it if it's willing, but right now I'm focused on managing positions. Need to upgrade, ground level ain't kicking it. Can't feel the shit, penny pinching ain't fitting in. My schedule sizing niggas up, I'ma knock them off they pedestal. Supposed to be the most valuable, they still in my spot. You don't think that shit hot? Got beef with niggas, I'ma run up with the heater. Now I take precaution, my man's gon' floss him. Body painted like Carl Lawson. It ain't often to find a nigga rare as me. Old school mind and Scarface influenced me to be behind the cheese like Chucky. And if a nigga hatin', I'ma paint his picture ugly. I'm tired of these half-ass niggas coming up short with the common sense. You can't spit like pythons, that's the level I'm on, nigga, no comparison. Deep down inside you should know that I'm better than most niggas. Swear they killing it. No, this is speaking opinions. You should take my advice, kinda intervention. Listen, politics as usual. Me being next to Al Capone, that shit is usual. Just root in my product. Frank Lucas ambitions, shit, I gotta make a profit. Put some dollars in my pocket. No credit cards, only carry condoms in my wallet. She want a nigga to dog it. Make it feel like God watching. I'm not usual. Never seen a nigga my type. I feel this shit. Life let me be. I think I can handle my own actions. Imagine me in the worst spot. I bet I come out like time to go. I'm a hustler, try to serve the customers. Old school drug flow, y'all niggas can't fuck with us. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Either way it go.
Shit down. Nigga, what the fuck you want from me? Nigga, you know what the fuck I want, nigga. I want your motherfucking Dayton and your motherfucking stereo. And I'll take a double burger with cheese. What? Motherfucker, order my motherfucking food.
Hi, may I take your order, please?
Let me have a double burger, some fries. What the fuck I said with cheese, nigga? Hey, yo, make that double burger with cheese. See, y'all made me shoot your stupid ass over nothing. Hey, come on, man, we supposed to be brothers. Oh, what, you trying to get smart? Nigga, are you trying to kick some knowledge? Nigga, fuck that, nigga. Give me your motherfucking jury, nigga. Take that shit off. You gotta pay me too. You're ballin', huh? You're ballin'? You're motherfucking shit. Better me than the motherfucking cops, nigga.